this video, we're going to mount the mirrors. We're going to be using a 6mm Allen to actually mount the fasteners, and then we're going to use a 5mm to help adjust the tension on the mirror. We're also going to add these. These don't come included from the factory, but these are some lock washers that will help hold these fasteners in place and prevent the mirrors from spinning on the perch. Now we're ready to put the mirrors on the perch. We're going to use a 6mm Allen to do that. The Allen is actually going to go through the mirror, and then we're adding, this is something we add in the shop when we mount these, just a little lock washer. That's going to go in between the perch and the mirror, just like so. There's a lot of play in the arm of the mirror, so I'm going to use the 5mm just to snug that up. I don't want it too tight because I don't want to lose that mobility, but I will just firm that up a little bit.